This specific trade resulted in a $500 profit, and the subsequent sell trade garnered a $300 profit within a brief span. Pay close attention as I reveal a concealed indicator on TradingView that can revolutionize your daily profits, eliminating the need for conventional analysis or strenuous efforts. Leveraging trend direction strategies, this indicator furnishes remarkably accurate trade signals, potentially delivering 100 to 300 pips of profit on a daily basis. Through this video, we will unveil the indicator and the methodology driving these gains. Whether you're new to trading or an aspiring trader, by the video's conclusion, you will grasp the art of executing these remarkable trades, fostering trading success and realizing your aspirations. It's imperative that you watch the video until the end, lest you miss the pivotal strategy insights. To initiate, launch the TradingView platform and remove any prior indicators. Once your chart is pristine, shift the time frame to 5 minutes. Now, navigate to the Indicators tab and seek out the Alpha Trend Indicator by Kevin C. Bilgic. Apply it to the chart. Bear in mind, though, that this isn't the elusive secret indicator we're alluding to. Nevertheless, it stands as a premier tool for recognizing trend direction and gauging market momentum. A verdant gap between the blue and red lines hints at a prospective bullish trend, while a crimson gap signifies an impending bearish trend. This indicator boasts a history of delivering commendable trades, which explains its impressive download count of over 14,000. Let's now seamlessly integrate our confidential indicator into this setup. Navigate to the Indicators section and locate the Swing Arm ATR Trend Indicator. Simply click on it and apply it to the chart. While this indicator might not immediately appear extraordinary, its true potential will astonish you once I unveil trade examples. However, before we proceed, let's fine-tune the indicator settings to enhance accuracy. This optimization is pivotal in steering us towards achieving optimal profits. Access the Alpha Trend Indicator settings and adjust the multiplier to 0.2 while setting the common period to 10. Make certain that the Show Signals option is activated and save the settings. Now, proceed to the Swing Arm ATR Trend settings. Start by navigating to the Style tab. Here, deselect all options except for the last 3, which pertain to plot backgrounds. Save these settings and await the chart's refresh. Once the chart is updated, your configuration should be presented like this. Executing trades requires meticulous adherence to a series of essential steps. Otherwise, your trading approach could easily align with that of unsuccessful traders, erasing any distinguishing factor. Pay careful attention and strictly adhere to these rules. Only engage in trades when clear buy or sell signals are present. Execute trades exclusively when the market resides near or within the bands indicated by the Swing Arm Trend Indicator. If the market significantly deviates from these bands, it's wise to steer clear of the associated signals. Given the nature of this strategy, which leans towards scalping, it's paramount to maintain tight stop losses and refrain from prolonged trade holding. Rest assured, I will elucidate my straightforward method for trade management. Now focus your attention on the methodology of executing trades using this strategy. This section constitutes the pivotal essence of the entire video. To create a successful buy setup, follow these steps. Confirm that the Swing Arm Trend Indicator displays the color green. Once verified, proceed. Wait for the market to approach the green band or even penetrate it. When this condition is met, anticipate the appearance of a buy signal. As soon as a fresh candle is formed, execute the trade. Look at this. Sell setup. To establish a sell setup, adhere to these guidelines. Ensure that both the band and background are red. Wait for the market to approach the red band. Once this proximity is achieved, a sell signal will soon emerge. Initiate your trade and allow it to reach your profit target. Before you hasten to TradingView to evaluate these indicators, allow me to quickly provide you with guidance on how to optimally manage your trades and extract maximum profit from this strategy. Set your stop loss securely and with precision. In my experience, the highest or lowest point of these bands proves to be the most effective. For buy trades, I employ this as my stop loss, while for sell trades, I position my stop loss at the highest band point. On a 5-minute chart, I recommend setting your take profit level at 100 points. This can be illustrated with an example. If the band is green and the market resides within it, watch for a buy signal. Initiate the trade with the onset of a fresh candle and observe the resulting profits. Likewise, for a sell trade scenario characterized by a red background in the market within the band, execute the trade as soon as the sell signal appears. Place your stop loss at the highest band point and aim for a 100-point take profit. Here's another instance of a sell example, coupled with an impressive buy trade. Take note of the numerous successful trades that materialize. A blend of patience and consistent practice will undoubtedly elevate this into the realm of premier scalping strategies. Embrace and apply this strategy, and don't hesitate to share it with friends you wish to see prosper. Our commitment to providing these exceptional indicator and strategy videos at no cost allows you to enrich your trading journey with knowledge and skills. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel for daily updates. You never know which strategy could potentially transform your trading trajectory, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you have any strategies you'd like to share, feel free to email us or leave them in the comments section below. I trust you've gained valuable insights today. Farewell.